Ready to unlock the emotional core of your progressive house tracks? Let's dive into making chords that truly resonate. Progressive house thrives on harmonic journeys, moving beyond simple loops to create anticipation and release. Today, we're focusing on crafting these captivating chord progressions. We'll start with the building blocks. Understanding scales for progressive house. The natural minor and Dorian modes are fantastic starting points. Dorian, in particular, offers a slightly brighter, more uplifting feel without losing that emotional depth. Next, let's talk about chord construction and voicing. Don't just stick to basic triads. Experiment with 7th chords, 9th chords, and even 11th chords. These add color and sophistication, giving your progressions a richer texture. Voice leading is your secret weapon for smooth transitions. The goal is to keep the movement between chords as smooth as possible, typically by moving each note only by a step or a half step, or by keeping common tones between chords. This creates an almost singing quality. Consider the emotional arc of your progression. Start with something perhaps a bit more introspective or melancholic, then introduce chords that build tension. Think suspended chords or chords with added dissonance. Finally, resolve to chords that offer a sense of arrival and release. This ebb and flow is key to progressive house. Don't forget the power of your synth patches. The timbre of your chords dramatically influences their emotional impact. Experiment with pads, warm analog-style sounds, and even subtle arpeggiations to bring your progressions to life. By combining strong theoretical foundations with creative voicing and mindful voice leading, you can craft progressive house chord progressions that not only sound good, but tell a story. So open your DAW, get experimenting, and let the emotions flow.